Hi kitties, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing my review on Hyphen Skincare. Kriti Sanon is the co-founder of this brand. I've been testing these products for more than 10 days. So it has been some time. So hyphen is a punctuation mark which is used to join words, and the idea behind the name is why be one thing in this life when you can have it all. And keeping this in mind, brand hyphenates active and natural ingredients to create fuss-free skincare products which target multiple skin concerns all at once. So they have launched two barrier care creams, one for oily skin type and one for normal to dry skin type. Golden Hour Glow Face Serum. Lastly, All I Need Sunscreen SPF 50 PA++++. So let's start with barrier care cream for oily and combination skin type. It retails for 449 rupees for 50 ml. I was truly shocked by the prices. I like how they have kept the prices of these products on the affordable side, and the bottle does not feel cheap. It has a matte finish and it feels luxe in my hands. It's a lightweight gel cream hybrid formula, so it's usable in Indian weather. So I have a combination skin type with oily T-zone. I've been using it in my night and my morning skincare routine. It doesn't feel heavy on my skin even when the weather is so humid these days. It has ceramides and peptides, which are two of my favorite ingredients in a moisturizer. So ceramides holds your skin cells together. It's like cement, and peptides are like chain of amino acid which builds the collagen and elastin, so it increases the production of collagen in your skin, so it gives you a plump and youthful looking skin. So these two ingredients are skin barrier friendly. It also has squalene and oatmeal extract, which are extremely soothing and hydrating on the skin. In my opinion, the formulation is my favorite thing about this barrier care cream. It feels so silky and soft on the skin. Moisturizers with ceramides and peptides a little bit on the creamy side, but it definitely has a lighter feel on the skin and it gives a feel good after effect on my skin. Next is barrier care cream for normal to dry skin type, which also retails for 449 rupees for 50 ml. This cream also has ingredients like ceramides and peptides in addition to tamanu oil, which is extremely healing on the cracked skin because it's rich in fatty acids. So that's why it's great for dry skin types. It also has cica extract which soothes sunburns, and chia seed oil which adds hydration, and aloe vera extracts. My mom has a dry skin type, so I gave it to her to use it, and she liked how nourishing it was on her skin. It has a rich creamy texture which nourishes the skin deeply, so I think I will enjoy it during the coming fall and winter season more because my skin becomes dry during the colder season. So if you have dry skin, choose this. Next is Golden Hour Glow Serum. It retails for 649 rupees for 30 ml. Now this serum is a fragrance free formula. I found this serum to be soothing and hydrating on my skin. Texture is so lightweight and non-sticky. It's a good hydrating serum that leaves a nice glow on the skin. This serum has a mix of 7 active and natural ingredients like cacao plum, which is a natural source of vitamin C, so it gives a brightening effect. Active ingredients like alpha-arbutin, which fights the hyperpigmentation, lactic acid, which gives a mild exfoliation, so you don't have to layer different serums for different concerns. And that's it for today's video. One thing you should try from Hyphen in my opinion is the barrier care cream, and second, their Golden Hour Glow Face Serum. I will leave the link for these products in my description box below, so do check them out and let me know your thoughts on this skincare range, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.